Assalamualaikum. Welcome to the Hope School and College assisted by Sindh Education Foundation. As we discussed in previous video, introduction of biology of ninth class, now we will discuss about the second chapter, which is about solving a biological problem. What is biological problem? Problems related to living organisms may be their health, environment, and ecosystem. For example, malaria, which is caused by female mosquito Anopheles, and it is very killer disease. To solve this problem, there are biological methods. It is a stepwise process in which scientists find out reasons of any biological problem. And there are 7 steps to solve this biological problem, which is called biological methods. And number 1 is observation, number 2 hypothesis, number 3 reasoning, number 4 experiment, number 5 is result, number 6 is conclusion, and the number 7 is theory. The number 1 is observation. The process of closely monitoring to something is called observation. There are 2 types of observation, qualitative and the quantitative. Qualitative, the data is measured by senses, and quantitative data is measured by instruments. And the now number 2 is hypothesis. Hypothesis, it is an intelligent guess in the form of statement and must be a testable. If hypothesis is not a testable, then hypothesis is not called a hypothesis. And the number 3 is reasoning. Reasoning is actually a testing of hypotheses in a logical or sensitive way. There are 2 ways to testing a hypothesis, by inductive and deductive reasoning, and if and then are used in this reasoning methods. And number 4 is experiment. It is a practical performance to identify the real cause of problem. Like, to find out the cause of malaria, the scientists take 2 types of test samples. One is from control group and another is experimental group. And the number 5 is result. Result is actually a report that defines what happened in the experiment. Result verifies the hypothesis, and result includes the observation and data made during the experiment. Number 6 is conclusion. It is a short paragraph which discusses the overall result of experimental procedure. It is actually a summary which explains all over the procedure. And the number 7 is theory. Theory is well tested and highly reliable scientific explanation. When our data is correct, experiment is correct, hypothesis is correct, then the theory is met, and then law and principles become. And now the number last topic our is data analysis and the data organization. Data analysis and organization, it is a process in which we collect the data of many years and show in tables and graph. When we recorded the data, we have to perform a mathematical analysis to support or refuse our hypothesis. Here is some chart which shows the malaria cases reported in Sindh 2016 to 17, which help us to know that how many patients are died, how many patients are caused by malaria. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe the Hope School and College.